Alright guys, I just received my nesting boxes. These are by Best Nest Box. They are the roll-away type. So once the hen lays her eggs, they roll down, you lift this lid up, and you get a nice clean egg. It never has a chance to get dirty, and I will never have dirty eggs again. Which after rainy days like this in my coop, I get some nasty dirty eggs. So I'm going to install this in my chicken tractor. So let's put this thing together and install it. Okay, I guess that's it. Alright, so let's get this thing going here. And see what we got here, instructions, huh? Well, it doesn't look that difficult. Yeah, we got more here. Very cool. Well, there's one thing I'm noticing here. This little mat that they put down here where the eggs fall on. It's all plastic. I thought it was softer. This is pretty rough. So I guess it'll keep them out of their nesting boxes. Just let them do their duty and leave. That'd be kind of pokey on the feet. Anyways. Now this is reversible. Meaning that they can come into one side, lay their eggs, and have the eggs come out of the back, or have the eggs in the front and also where they go in. But the way I need it is they're going to be able to go in through the front, and I'll get the eggs from the back, the outside of the chicken tractor actually. Alright, so let's put this thing together. So it looks like this part here is going to have to be reversed to here. And they're going to have to come in here, lay their eggs, rolls down here, and you can come and get your eggs here. There was another brand of nesting boxes, same concept, same deal, and it was about $30 cheaper, something like that. And I was going to get it based on the fact that it was cheaper, but I started looking at the pictures better, and I can tell the quality just wasn't there. So for $30, you know, maybe it'll last longer. Maybe the galvanized metal wasn't that great on the other one, I don't know. But sometimes it's just better to pay a little more and get something a little bit better quality. If it's something you're going to use for a long time, put it that way. When you're in a pinch and you need something quick, and you're not worried about quality, you're not going to use it all the time, you go to Harbor Freight. Okay, now, so this is going to be the front where they come in. This is going to be the back. Yeah, that's pretty nifty. Not bad at all. Oh, that's got to go on the outside. There we go. All right, just got to put all the screws in. All right, guys. So the hens will come up here, go in here, lay their eggs, and they roll down. It comes out here, and I collect them. Nice, clean eggs. Very cool. And if for any reason, if they go broody or they like sleeping in here at night, you just put this up like this and they can't get in. Unless they're smart enough to push it back down, which they just might be. Alright guys, so let's see about installing this on the chicken tractor. Alright, so this is what I've come up with so far. I was going to mount the nesting box up here. But then I started looking at it. The height is okay, but then the perch goes up a little higher yet, and I'm sure they can make it up there. It's not a problem, but it puts it at the same plane, if not a little higher than the roosting bars. And I want it a little bit lower than the roosting bars, so they won't be sleeping in there at night. So I decided to bring it down to this level here. So this board here would be the bottom of this nesting box. And the only part that's going to be outside is this part right here. Okay, so I can open it, get my eggs. So I made this opening here. I got to take the screen out yet. The width from that 4x4 to here is exactly this width here. And this opening here is what I need to get the flap open and all that stuff. It'll be on the outside. I connected it with these plates. I screwed this 2x4 into the 4x4, and here I put screws going here and here, holding it here, because I'm not sure if I'm going to put this here, and I don't want this plate over here. So I may end up putting this over here, this little angle plate, to hold that up. Alright guys, so all I have to do now is take the screen out and start installing it. All right, it's all mounted on. Get your eggs from here. This closes up real nice. In case you're wondering, there's a lip right here. This lip and this board has to be about an inch apart from each other in order to clear the lid here. Okay, in order for this to clear, it has to be about an inch from this lip on the nest box to a 2x4. All right, and show you what it looks like in the front. All right, so this is how I mounted it to the front here. I use these Simpson Strong Tie little angle plates. You get these at the lumber department at Home Depot. Put one here, one here. Now here I put bolts going through to the other side. I had some self-tapping screws that I put in there, but they poke through the other side quite a bit. And I didn't want the chicken to, the hen to hurt herself, rub up against it or something. But anyways, put bolts here, screwed it onto the 2x4, same deal here. This one I put a self-tapping screw because it was way down at the bottom there. It won't interfere with the chicken. And then on this side here, I just put a screw up here and a screw down here directly into the 4x4 corner post, right through the side. And that is it for the nesting box, all set. Now they just perch up here, go in here, lay their eggs, and collect them from the back. And if they decide to go broody or they want to sleep in here at night, I just put this up.